Welcome to your English learning journey. Hello everyone, my name is Adam, and I'm here to help you overcome one of the most common challenges English learners face: forgetting words while speaking. Picture this. You're in the middle of a conversation, and suddenly you can't recall a simple word, like train. What do? Instead of panicking, try saying, the long vehicle that moves on tracks. Problem solved. In today's video, I'll share practical strategies to handle these situations and keep your conversations going smoothly. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to build fluency and confidence in speaking English, even if some words slip your mind. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Why do we forget words? First, let's understand why this happens. Even if you're good at understanding English, speaking it can feel challenging. Why? Lack of speaking practice. We tend to focus on reading or listening, so speaking doesn't come as naturally. Stress and anxiety. Feeling nervous or under pressure can freeze your thoughts. Thinking in your native language. Translating in real time slows you down and makes it harder to recall words. Limited vocabulary. Sometimes you simply haven't learned or used certain words enough. Remember, forgetting words is normal. Even native speakers do it. Chapter 2. Turning forgotten words into creative solutions. Forgetting a word doesn't mean the conversation has to stop. Here's how you can turn it into a learning opportunity. Use simple synonyms. Forget happy. Say, not sad. Forget tired. Say, not full of energy. Describe what it does or its purpose. Forget oven. Say, the machine that cooks food with heat. Forget glasses. Say, the thing you wear to see better. Paint a picture with words. Forget bridge. Say, the structure that connects two places over water. Forget mountain. Say, the very tall landform, like a big hill. Chapter 3. Practice makes perfect to build confidence. Practice describing everyday objects in your surroundings. Examples. Forget bus. Say, the vehicle that carries people on the road. Forget fridge. Say, the machine that keeps food cold. Forget hospital. Say, the place people go when they are sick. With these strategies, you'll always find a way to express yourself. Chapter 4. How I improved my speaking skills. Here are the methods I used to become fluent. Shadow native speakers. Repeat sentences after listening to a native speaker. Copy their tone and flow. Learn vocabulary. Contextually, focus on learning words in phrases instead of isolation. For example, don't just learn airport. Learn phrases like, I am at the airport. Simplify your language. Use short, clear sentences when you're learning. For example, instead of saying, I experienced a magnificent view, say, I saw a beautiful place. Practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself about your day or describe what's around you. Record yourself. Record your speaking practice. Listen to it and identify areas to improve. Chapter 5. Embracing mistakes. Fear of making mistakes can hold you back. Here's how to overcome it. Understand. It's normal. Everyone makes mistakes, even fluent speakers. Focus on communication. Your goal is to express yourself, not to be perfect. Celebrate progress. Every successful conversation, no matter how simple, is a step forward. Chapter 6. Long-term strategies for fluency. Fluency is a process, and consistency is key. Immerse yourself. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, and read books in English. Speak every day. Narrate your actions, talk to friends, or join a language group. Stay consistent. Dedicate a small amount of time every day to speaking and practicing. Final thoughts and motivation. Fluency isn't about knowing every word. It's about expressing yourself confidently and effectively. If you forget a word, don't panic. Use the tips you've learned today to keep going. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more practical tips. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Now, share your favorite tip in the comments below. What's one word you often forget? And how will you describe it next time? Let's learn and grow together. See you in the next video.